अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं टमाटर की चटनी। आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड टमाटर की चटनी with one method. This is a second method. Heat a kadai and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 4 big onions sliced. Saute till the onions become golden brown. When the onions turn golden brown, add 1 teaspoon garlic paste and 3/4 teaspoon ginger paste. Mix and saute well till the raw smell goes, else it will show up in the chutney. So once the raw smell goes, then add 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and mix well. Saute the spices for around 30 seconds and then add the tomatoes. I have taken half a kg of tomatoes. Cut them finely and add them. Mix well and now add 1 teaspoon salt and half a glass of water. Cover and cook till the tomatoes become soft. Keep stirring in between. When the tomatoes have almost become soft, add a handful of coriander leaves, a few curry leaves and 2 to 3 green chillies. Cover and let it cook on medium flame for another 10 minutes. When the tomato chutney is ready, let's add one last ingredient, that is half a teaspoon of pepper powder. You can add either black or white pepper powder. Cover and leave on sim for 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes later, let's check. The tomatoes are done. The oil has floated to the top. Tomato chutney is now ready. It is a good accompaniment with chapatis and khichdi as well. Do try out the simple method. As always, ingredients in the description box. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.